Okay, I'm going to show you how to use this tool, this website called flippity.net, FLIPPITY.net. It has a lot of cool functions on it. You use this, how I'm going to show you, to select students at random or to put them into groups and different methods. So let me show you how to do that. You can browse through all these other fun things you can do, but for now, I will just do the flippity random name picker, choose instructions, and then here is everyone's name in your class. These are just the names it comes with. So you can delete all this and create your own class. You can type in all the students' names, or if you have a report, you can create to copy and paste all the names. When you do put the names in here, I recommend you put just their first name, not their first and last name. If you have two students with the same name, then you can do their first name and their last name initial. Because if you have it be really long, then it just gets really jumbled up in the wheel and it gets all messed up. So let's say this is my class, and I'm going to come down here and give it a title. Let's say this is my period 3 class or my morning class or whatever class that may be. And you will hit generate. And here are all the different options you can do up here at the top. Here's the wheel. So if you want to choose a student at random, you spin the wheel by clicking on it. Robert. Now, if you want to eliminate Robert so he isn't picked again, then you will click on the X and then he is not there. And then you can spin it again for the next person. Let's say you want to have them all line up in order, then there's that. Or let's say you want to put them into groups of 3, then click on groups of 3. If you don't like this order, how this set up, you can just shuffle it, or there's several other things you can do with that. Let's say Spencer and Robert are not good together in the same group, so I'm going to click on Spencer and switch him with Kate. There we go. That's better. Or let's say I want to do 3 different groups, 3 teams. You do that, and then you can move them around also, like I showed you in the last one. Once you have created your class, then you need to bookmark it. You bookmark it by clicking on the star up here in the top right, and you can edit your bookmarks and put a folder where you put all these periods in that folder, so it's quickly more easy to access. And then you click done. And if you have a change in the class, you click on more, and then you could do quick edit. And then let's say Tom is no longer in your class, so you delete Tom, or if someone joined your class, then you add them and you click apply. And now if you notice, that made a new page, so you have to bookmark that one again once you've made that change. So click on the bookmark and save it, and then delete the old period 3 from your bookmark. So for example, here are my randomizers. Here's all the flippity ones that I have named for all my periods. I also use will decide. I have another video on that, on how to use will decide. They both have their pros and cons. You have to see which one you like more. I use will decide more to choose students, one student at a time, and I use flippity more to put them in groups. So you just kind of decide how you want to do it. I don't like how flippity takes a long time to spin. Will decide will spin in 1 second. This one takes 4 or 5 seconds, and I just like it to be faster and more efficient. So let me know what you do to select students at random digitally, and what's easy for you and what works for you. And maybe we can come up with a better system, but this one works great for me. Thank you.